Meaning of incandescent.
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 Incandescent. Incandescent refers to the emission of light from a heated object, typically at high temperatures. This term is commonly used to describe the warm, glowing light emitted by an incandescent light bulb when electricity passes through its filament. Incandescent light is produced when the filament is heated to a point where it glows white-hot. This type of lighting has been widely used in homes and businesses, but has been largely replaced by more energy-efficient options like LED lighting. In summary, incandescent refers to the emission of visible light from a heated object or material.